This is the start of the hike. I'm speechless.
Well, after my attempt to summit Mount Rinjani 2 years ago, I didn't really thought I will do another long distance hike until recently that Columbia Sportswear reached out to me and asked me, hey, do you want to make a video about us hiking? But in the hiking community, there is this saying, the Holy Trinity of East Asia. The Fuji Mountain in Japan, Jade Mountain in Taiwan, and this one, the one we're gonna hike.
Currently, we are at Mount Kinabalu Park and we are going to hike the Malaysia's tallest mountain.
Colombia planned this for a while with our one and only Melinda.
First time in my life, we trekked with my daughter to Everest Base Camp. That's my first time last year in September.
And now you're here.
Yes, I am here.
Salt Lakes, that's one definitely. Cold water. Other than that, I think I'm really okay with it.
Right now it's 6:30 in the morning. Right now, right here is the HQ, we call it, which is where we spend our night before the hike, and then we will transfer to the trailhead where we will take our pass. Pass is very important. It's like your ID up there. If you don't have the pass, you will not get your lunch, you will not get your entry. So keep the pass. So today's goal is to reach Panalaban, which is the almost halfway to the summit. And there we will have our dinner there and wash up to prepare for the summit attack about 2 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, this is our breakfast. Look at that. It's so good that I forgot to roll the camera before I eat. So that's Mount K right there. We're gonna summit tomorrow. So I'm gonna send this power back to the porter. The porter will send this to the base camp. We just carry whatever we need. How much is the porter?
14 ringgit per kg.
14 ringgit per kg.
But
Okay.
minimum is 10 kg, means minimum is 140 ringgit.
So today is going to be about 6-kilometer hike until the Panalaban base camp. So we'll take about maybe 4 to 6 hours average. So we'll be going slow and steady lah for today.
Okay, we passed the first checkpoint. Register our name and it got real fast.
This is the start of the hike.
It's around 1.5 km. So here is Wilson, our guide. How long have you been a guide?
10 years.
More than 10. And how many times you submit per day, per week? Okay. 10 times a month. So you did for 10 years. Let's do the maths, guy.
120 per year.
That is 1,200 summit. Oh. Somebody help. Jump. Actually, both left. Once I relax, I try to stretch myself.
Cannot stretch, bro. When you relax it, don't stretch it.
Left leg also.
What happened?
Nothing, just lost my leg. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached Panalaban base camp. We did it! Look at that. The crazy part is It's like no matter how high you try, you never fit the whole mountain in your field of view. Congratulations, Team Kinabalu. We are halfway there.
So we're at kilometer 8, Mount Kinabalu. So we have another 1 km to the summit.
Ladies and gentlemen, 感动的一瞬间 we are here at the peak. Hey! 4095. 欢迎来到zaczaclee. Alright,
Okay.
where are we now?
So we're on Mount Kinabalu,
Okay.
right off the summit. So we're going down. So as you can see over the horizon, that's the second tallest mountain in Malaysia, and also the third and the fifth. Trusmadi, Siting, and Panalaban.
Wow. And the one, this is called Low's Peak, right?
Yeah, this is Lost Peak.
And is that name for this section?
St. John's Peak, South Peak, or you can call it Puncak Seringit or Puncak Septeratus.
Ah,
And
okay.
then this one is Oyayubi Peak, bukan?
This one's Alexander.
Alexandra Peak, Oyayubi Peak.